down, okay? Stop yelling. They're operating out of Central City because Davenport happened to have a high-tech facility there, and they're supposedly using it to track down the Davenport and Riker. That's the entire goal of the Elite Force, and yet here on Episode 6, we have not seen or heard about any attempt to do that whatsoever past Episode 1. They're just hanging out, treading their wheels. Sure, Mighty Men and Lab Rats had a lot of treading their wheels too, but during the portions of these shows that were primarily episodic, they didn't have this ticking clock hanging over the series. The rush to defeat Roman and Riker before they killed any more superheroes. You can't introduce a ticking clock, make your characters aware of the ticking clock, and then spend the entire show showing your characters hanging out and starring in shoe commercials. But okay, I guess they're going on missions in Central City on the side now. Why are they just evacuating a subway tunnel? In Lab Rats, they only went on missions that were too dangerous for humans, like particle colliders or runaway trains. There's a singular episode in Season 4 where Leo introduced a hotline and sent them on random, mundane, and boring fetch quests. But beyond that, the Lab Rats went on missions that no human could survive, except Leo was usually there and survived. But here, they're just evacuating. But literally, that's what law enforcement is doing. Can the police in Central City just do their damn job, please? This is such a waste of bionic abilities. There's no justification for them to be here, especially because the Elite Force is a top-secret mission. They're literally actively being hunted by Roman and Riker, despite like, at this point, they're probably just stalking them in the distance and being like, can you move on and try to find superheroes and stop evacuating the subway? I can give you command. Principal Perry recognizes the comic books and deeply agrees to help them get back to the subway. I know who you are!
Hello? Never acted that impressed around me.
That's because she's a comic book hero come to life, and you're a man-made god.
Perry happens to have memorized the underground network of portals and knows exactly which one leads to the subway where the force is. The show has now acknowledged the comic book lore of Mighty Men. All comic books are based off real-life events in this universe, transcribed by an omnipotent being called Ambrose. But that raises the question, what happened to Ambrose? Is he okay? If not, did the comic stop? He'd be writing comics if he were killed by Mighty Men. And if he survived, how was the death of every superhero explained in the comic book universe? Because the Mighty Men Hospital itself never appeared in any comics. It couldn't have. Because obsessive comic book readers Wallace and Clyde spent all of Season 1 attempting to locate Mighty Men. They only discovered it because of Alan's comic, which explained that Mighty Men was a superhero hospital, and this was real influence. And this is one comic books now? Are the surviving superheroes on the run given comic books? So many questions have been raised, and there's no attempt to answer them whatsoever because I don't think the Lab Rat guys watched Mighty Men to know that these were questions in the first place. And you might be thinking, oh, you can't just dump a bunch of random exposition into random episodes. And I'd counter that by saying 90% of Elite Force is already random exposition. It fit right in. Why not? Skylar and Perry arrive at the subway tunnel and a rock slide separates Skylar and Perry from the others. Here, Perry rats on Chase for sabotaging the elevator, and Chase confesses to being jealous.
This is combat warrior. This is a combat
decision to step
where
down as mission leader, permanently handing the reins to Skylar. Character-wise, I kind of like this. It's nice to see Chase admit he isn't perfect and try to be a better person, but they never go on a mission again.
Yes, both of them.
Season finale and actually progresses the plot for the first time since the pilot. The episode opens with nostalgia for Lab Rats as Chase finds a box of old plot devices from that series. Elite Force,
Season
baby in the basement? That kid's gonna have some serious issues. What's this? Cybercloak. It's a virtual body disguise. It can make you take on anyone's appearance. One time, I got stuck looking like Bree and I had to go to the school dance with this guy named Jace. That's a memory wipe. It can erase minutes, hours, even minutes of life. If I use this on Skylar, maybe she'll put all the stupid things I've said and want to date me. I'm Jace. Smart.
Ted, what are you doing? Go down.
Just calls. Action figures. Kaz, please list of superhero the
I'm killing people. Killing.
list is
Kill.
Crossbow.
I'm going savage mode on these fools. Let's go. Let's go to town on these fools. Town on these fools.
No, it was not. Anyways, she's currently in hiding as a groundskeeper at a park in Central City. Skylar and Oliver visit her and
Going to town on these fools.
hearing that the message didn't get to her. Eavesdropped earlier, Roman and Riker devise a plan. Riker shapeshifts
Dead.
Gaz and sneaks into Mission Command to snatch the hero list by himself.
I'm going to town on these fools.
While Roman shows up to battle Skylar and Crossbow in the park. Bree captures Riker, but Roman captures Crossbow. They meet in Centrum City, and they exchange Crossbow for Riker and the list of hundreds of people, which sort of seems like a losing deal for the Elite Force. Suddenly, Crossbow heroically destroys the list, but Roman kills Crossbow in return. Back at Mission Command, the fact that Captain all of our superhero doctors is finally mentioned for the and they use their method to save Crossbow's life. Always in operation in Mighty Man, always energetic and fun. But here, it's so self-important and dour that it just is lifeless.
And in the latest issue, Crusher has just returned to the planet Eprion,
Where the gravity is 40 times out of Earth.
standing
Clear!
due to the extreme gravity, pulled his heart from his chest down to his feet.
Oh, they're shot in the wrong place.
I'm going to go to town on you fool.
Crossbow's gloves are powered by Horologian force, right? So, generation power, check. So, maybe we can use Crossbow gloves to power the into your body instead of away from it. Roman and Riker, the antagonists of the show. You see, they report to their father, Rhodesius, full name, who deems that he'll take it from here and that they've failed. Of the 9 remaining episodes, guess how many progress this main story? Go ahead, yes! Just one! It's the finale! The whole loose plot that this show is going for it is that some guy named Rhodesius is mad at Cass and Oliver for destroying his powers, and so now he wants to kill all superheroes in the world. And the Elite Force is trying to catch him. They're not making any steps to do that. They're just vibing together. Meanwhile, Rhodesius will also just kind of sit around for 9 more episodes, not doing anything, just as unproductive as the Elite Force, before finally staging his epic attack in episode 16. It's just painful. Lab Rat's Elite Force is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that gets progressively more difficult as it continues. For some reason, there's just a handful of phrases that the writers of Lab Rats constantly relied on as a crutch, and I kind of found it really distracting how frequently these phrases would recur. For example, characters would constantly say, "I can't believe blank."
I can't believe it. That's ridiculous.
Usually we hear this through the commercial break. And before the commercial break, by like 2 seconds ago, for each character. I brought it here. I can't believe you stole a llama and brought it here. All of these phrases are back in full force in Lab Rat's Elite Force. So here's a compilation of every time a sentence starts with "I can't believe" as Lab Rat's Elite Force. This is a whole section that I cut from the Lab Rat. I didn't want that one to be too long, but now I'm like, screw it. People watch the 8-hour Victoria. It's gonna be however long I want. It'll take a long time.
I can't believe we're actually in school. I can't believe this.
I can't believe this is our last night with you.
I can't believe
I'm saying this.
I can't believe it. The science teacher says I'm always late to class.
I can't believe we died.
I can't believe they ruined his surprise.
I can't believe no one bought this peanut butter.
I can't believe you went behind my back and saw those freaky monster pig things.
I can't believe you let me take you to the movie and your mom said no. I can't believe that worked. I can't believe she doesn't want us at her party. I can't believe you let a virus into my mainframe.
I can't believe you almost ended up at the bottom of the ocean.
I can't believe you, Leo.
I can't believe you would do that. I can't believe that.
Wake up to that. I can't believe Big D has to break it down.
I can't believe I'm losing so badly. I can't believe this. I know. I can't believe this. I can't believe you stole a llama and brought it here. I can't believe you maxed out your strength after I specifically told you not to.
I can't believe you guys had to
I can't believe I'm finally getting to meet the bionic superhumans I've heard so much about.
I can't believe you actually did something nice.
I can't believe they're gone.
I can't believe your own brother would do this. The lab is gone.
10
The
minutes.
media is hailing Principal Harry as a hero.
Bye, guys.
Breaking my fall.
That was
I can't believe
a
I did
video.
this.
Very good video.
I need to get in